They're all, sabi nga, lahat babae daughters. There are a lot of my friends saying that bakit hindi another son. Pero I think we are happy with what we have, and I think we have discussed this, and I think we could provide them a better future with the three daughters. Anyway, having three daughters have a lot of advantages because they're sweet. Imagine there are four women at my back. Unfortunately, pag nilakad, you have to spend at least reserve 1 or 2 hours. But I've learned to, it's a matter of learning and adjusting into it. For Ina, majority has been set. I've been listening to a lot of advices earlier. And actually, dalawa lang siguro I would like to emphasize. One is, listen to the people who love you most. Because probably there are times where you don't understand the advice given to you. But one thing I can assure you, yung mga tao na to, binibigay yan because they feel that is the best for you. Walang magulang na mag-a-advise sa'yo na hindi mo ikabubuti. So basically, lahat ng ina-advise is for your own good. Probably at the time, you might feel it's not a little bit weird or not acceptable to you at the time. But at the end of the day, it's lahat ng ina-advise ng magulang is ay kinabubuti ng anak. Life is not easy. It's ups and downs. It's a roller coaster actually. Me, Nanette, and everybody have experienced that. I heard some advices from your ninong and ninangs that it's not an easy it's an easy life. There's always challenges, there's always ups and downs. When you are in the point of midst of you are undecided which path to take, I think the only thing is pray. Just like what me and your mom has been doing. If we come to a crossroad, we just pray and ask for guidance. A couple of times, I think even my employment, going abroad and the like, we pray for this, that we're just asking for sign. And I think at this point of time, lahat ng decision namin at family, wala namang naging mali. So far, it's giving us good benefits. Sometimes may mga trade-offs, but it's a matter of managing it and addressing the problem. So, just remember those two things, the rest will flow through. So, trust your faith in God, put Him as a center of your life. When you make some decision, ask for guidance through prayers, and ask your mom, myself, your sisters for their opinion and side. Of course, the final say with you, but as I've said, wala kaming i-advise not for your own good, definitely it's for your own good. So, Ina, happy birthday on your 18th birthday. Sabi nga nila, dalaga ka na, but probably in Filipino culture, it's a little bit different. Probably if you talk about people living in the US, when you reach the age of 18, you are totally independent. But in Philippine culture, I would say, sinasabihan ako ng asawa ko, mahaba na yung aking sinasabi. But in culture, because of the ties and the like, I think, sama-sama pa rin tayo. So, saying me to stop. Alright, happy birthday, Ina. And thank you for all those people who attended tonight, from relatives, from my relatives, who drive all the way from Nueva Ecija, will be coming home tonight, to mga relatives ng wife ko, mga titos and titas, from all our friends from Laguna, all my schoolmates in college. Mahaba yan, dadami tayo, no? So, thank you everybody for all the friends na pumunta, from friends ni Ina, from high school, college, and all her friends. Thank you for coming. And also thank you for all those suppliers who help us make this event happen. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.